Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Well. Guess what? I'm cooking in my kitchen. This right here is another childhood that I grew up on. It's called the Frank and porky bean with hot dog in it. So the main ingredient is, well, even though it's supposed to be regular, I don't know if they sell pork beans. They may call it different. Maybe this it. I tried to, you know what I'm saying? But this only one they had, but I used to grow up on this kind of meal, and we used to call it porky bean with hot dog. But it's supposed to be pork bean and hot dog. Yeah, so that's the country way of saying porky bean hot dog. But this is the ingredient. Calls for brown sugar, onion, or the canned beans, ketchup, yellow mustard. You can use any kind of hot dog that you desire, butter, and you don't have to use this, but this right here, it's got a lot of flavor in the garlic. But most of the seasoning is onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Then on the seasoning. But this is something that I'm using, and stuff. All the rest of the ingredient is required. But anyway, this is so easy. You can bake beans and hot dog in the oven. And also you could add barbecue sauce. But I don't want no barbecue sauce. No. I don't know if my mom used to put barbecue sauce in the bean. I can't remember that part. But anyway, if you want to pause this, and if you want to make it my way, just pause this video and write down the ingredient, okay? I'm gonna hold it for a second, and I will take a screenshot of it, so I will post the picture, okay? But anywho, this is gonna be very short video. This is my dinner. Yes. Yep. All right. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna saute my onions, my garlic. After I saute in butter, then I'll cut up my hot dog, and then add the rest of the ingredient. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, now you guys, I'm gonna cut up my hot dog. Okay, so you guys, that's how I cut up my hot dog. Then I chop my onions up. Now I'm melting my butter to saute my onion garlic first. Okay. My butter is melted. Now add my onion. I saute it to get tender. Then I'm going to add my garlic. add hot dog. Okay, so I'm gonna cook this until the hot dog is brown. Okay, and I'll be right back when it's cooked brown. Okay. Okay, it's kind of brown. Now I'm going to add the porky bean. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to put 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of ketchup, a teaspoon of mustard, some garlic powder. I'm just going to sprinkle. Sprinkle some onion powder. Salt. Just a little. And some black pepper. Now we're going to combine it together. And I might add some, this is really thick, so I might add, I don't want to add water, so I might add chicken broth. That's the best thing. See how thick it is. And then if you bake that, that's how it's gonna be thick anyway. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, before I add my chicken broth with some liquid and stuff, I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook, about simmer, lower the fire and simmer for 15 minutes, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna add some chicken broth. Yeah, because I don't want it too thick. Because it got to simmer for 15 minutes anyway. You know? I think that should be okay. Then I put put the top back on, okay? Sorry about the noise. And I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes. This is how I look. See how thick it got? I know tomorrow I'll probably have a lot on ground beef and mix it in together. Because you can put ground beef in it as well too, if you want more meat. But that's how I look. That's my pork bean with hot dog. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed night and be safe. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And make sure you guys, if you want to cook in my way, be more happy. Okay? Alrighty, I'm Mr. Dig In. Yep. Dig in. All right. See you. All right. Bye-bye.